Boston judge declares Trump's third country deportation policy unconstitutional. On Wednesday, a federal judge in Boston delivered a landmark decision that strikes down a core component of the Trump administration's immigration enforcement strategy. The ruling declares the policy that mandates the removal of undocumented migrants to nations where they do not hold citizenship to be unconstitutional. The judge emphasized that the government has failed to provide adequate procedural safeguards, specifically the time needed for individuals to mount a meaningful legal challenge against their removal. Without this protection, migrants could be sent to countries where they face a credible risk of persecution, torture, or other forms of imminent danger. The decision underscores the constitutional guarantee of due process, insisting that any deportation scheme must allow for a thorough review of an individual's claim before execution. In its reasoning, the court highlighted the stark contrast between the administration's objective of expediting removals and the fundamental rights of non-citizen residents who are entitled to a fair hearing. By requiring the government to pause the policy until proper legal channels are established, the ruling may reshape the broader landscape of U.S. immigration enforcement. Advocates for immigrant rights hailed the verdict as a victory for human dignity and the rule of law, while critics warned that it could embolden courts to intervene more aggressively in executive immigration actions. The administration, already under scrutiny for its hardline stance, now faces the practical challenge of revising its deportation framework to comply with constitutional standards. Legal scholars predict that the decision could set a precedent for future challenges to other aggressive immigration measures, reinforcing the judiciary's role as a check on executive power. As the case moves forward, the government is expected to file an appeal, but the immediate effect is a halt to the third country deportation practice pending further review, offering a temporary reprieve to thousands of undocumented individuals facing uncertain futures.